Verbal. Sorry.
Kitty.
Milk.
Bark, give me some food. Kitty. Kitty. Cat sex.
I just came.
I just came milk.
That'd be so cool.
Kitty.
You came milk.
Give me some milk.
Biscuit.
Dog food.
My very long beard.
Actually, it's more like this.
It's like, oh, I like my beard so much.
Stop raping your beard. Yeah, I know. She's fucking weird. Okay, stop it. We get the point.
That's what Tina does. I'm just kidding. Make me choke.
Kitty. You're supposed to be a cat. Cats do not sound like that. They're supposed to be want to be petted.
And pet me.
No.
No.
You have to hiss at me and yeah.
Pet me! Love me forever!
No, I'm good. Get off me. Stupid fucking cat. Okay, stop licking the people. They don't want to be licked. Stupid fucking cat. Get off me. Yeah, I know, she's weird. You look like a Chinese person. I'm Chinese! Tong, tong, tong!
We eat cat. We take your cat. We eat dinner.
Chinese
Your
people,
cat missing. Don't blame us.
Chinese people don't eat cats.
They can.
Japanese.
Same thing.
You can look like a horse. You look like a horse when you do that.
Nah, give me some hay.